Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to have another look at the Molotow masking fluid. As you can see, it's all separated. It's been sitting on my shelf for a couple of months. So I'm just going to shake it up. Here we go. It's all nice and mixed up again. I gave it a good shake. And I just want to see if it is still wet. Yep. So it's really nice and wet. I thought it would totally dry out. I don't know why I thought that with the lid on, but masking fluid is notorious for drying out when you're not using it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a bunch of different marks on the paper here, and I'm going to do 2 sets, I think, and then we'll put some paint on it and let it dry. And I have a new tool for removing it, so I'm hoping it's going to work better than the eraser or my finger that I tried last time. Alright, so the paint has dried and we're back to test out this eraser again, which sucked last time, and I just wanted to show you how much it sucked again by trying it out. As you can see, it does a really bad job at getting that masking fluid off. And I've had luck with other masking fluids with an eraser, but it just doesn't work with this Molotow. But as you can see, it works pretty good with me using my finger, but I also want to still be able to unlock my phone, and if my fingerprints are erased from getting rid of masking fluid, that's going to be a huge problem. So I asked over in my community tab and I put up a poll and I said, is this pickup tool worth getting? And this is it here. And I was kind of hesitant to get it because I thought, oh, you know, it's going to be the same as an eraser, but look at this baby go. So a couple of people from our community were like, yep, it's great, totally get it. And so I did, and I am not regretting it one bit. Look at this, it's amazing. So hardly any effort, I'm not really pushing very hard at all, just a couple of swipes and it pulls up this Molotow masking fluid with ease. It's amazing, and you can just see on that corner it kind of picks it up there. So if you were thinking about getting this but weren't sure if it was going to work, let me tell you, it works. It's great. I'm going to try it out on my other masking fluids and just see if it works as well, but I really needed a solution for this Molotow pen because it's such a handy little masking fluid pen. Yeah, so I guess that's it for this little video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!